In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Make.com. To start, open Make in your browser and head to your organization dashboard. If you work across multiple teams or data centers, check you're in the right organization so the connection lands where you expect. On the left sidebar, click Scenarios. This is where all of your automations live. We're going to build a brand new one just to establish the Airtable connection. Click Create Scenario. You'll land on a blank canvas. In the center, click the big plus icon, then search for and select Airtable. That adds the Airtable app to your scenario. From the list of available Airtable modules, choose the Records category, then pick Get a Record. This module is perfect for testing the connection because it retrieves a single row, which keeps things simple and quick to verify. Now, click Save. Saving early is a good habit. It preserves your canvas and makes the next prompts behave consistently. Inside the Airtable module, click Create a Connection. This opens the dialog that links Make to your Airtable account. When asked for the connection type, choose Airtable OAuth. OAuth is the secure recommended method and means you don't have to paste any personal API keys. Click Save to continue. You'll be redirected to Airtable's permissions screen. Here, click Add all resources so Make can see the bases and tables you intend to use for this scenario. If you prefer least privilege access, you can narrow this later in Airtable, but adding everything up front speeds up initial setup and testing. Next, click Grant Access. Airtable will confirm the connection and send you back to Make. To finish locking it in, click Save again in the module window. You should now see your new Airtable connection selected and ready. At this point, your accounts are linked. From here, you can configure the module by selecting your base and table and providing a record ID to test the pull, then run the scenario to confirm you're receiving data. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, double-check you've picked the correct base, and if you get a permission error, revisit the resource access you granted a moment ago. That's the complete process for connecting Airtable to Make using OAuth and a simple Get a Record module. Once it's working, you can expand this scenario with additional steps for creating, updating, or searching records, but your secure connection is now in place and reusable across scenarios.